Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious keema rolls. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground meat, either lamb or beef, for the flavorful filling. Also, prepare 2 medium onions, finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and 2 minced green chilies. Finally, ensure you have your key spices ready, including turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala to build that authentic taste. Now let's create the heart of our keema rolls, the flavorful filling. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté your finely chopped onions for about 5 to 7 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, cooking for just 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Finally, incorporate the ground meat, cooking it thoroughly until it browns completely, ensuring you break up any large lumps. With our delicious keema filling ready, it's time for assembly. First, ensure the keema mixture has cooled completely. This prevents the pastry from tearing. Take 1 sheet of spring roll pastry or a thin flatbread, depending on your preference. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the keema filling near one edge. Carefully fold in the sides of the pastry, then roll it tightly from the bottom upwards to form a neat, secure cylinder. Repeat this process for all your rolls. The final step is to fry our keema rolls to crispy perfection. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the keema rolls into the hot oil in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes per batch, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Once fried, serve these hot, delicious keema rolls immediately with your favorite chutney or a cooling dipping sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.